Pillsbury cinnamon rolls on the Blackstone. Let's get it. I'm gonna start by popping the can. With low heat all the way across, I'm gonna throw down some bacon up. I'm also going to take my press and set it on the corner of the griddle so that it'll warm up. It's easier to use the food press when it's a little bit warm. And then I'll also have some wax paper. Today we're trying wax paper instead of parchment paper because parchment paper tends to stick. Now we're gonna take our cinnamon rolls and I'm gonna put them cinnamon side up. And we're gonna get them smashed. The wax paper is the key. It came right off last time we did it with parchment and it did stick. Now we're just gonna let these cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. I know someone is gonna ask, this is called the Blackstone tool holder. It holds your spatula against the side of the griddle. You can find them using the link in my bio and then clicking the Amazon storefront. It's been 3 or 4 minutes, it's time to flip. We're looking for that golden brown on the bottom side. It's a little hot in the center, so I'm gonna pull these off to the edges. They've been going for about 2 minutes on this side, so let's take them off. You can press them and see if they feel done in the center. Beautiful golden brown, it's time to drizzle. Everyone knows if you cook the cinnamon rolls, you get to take the rest of the icing for yourself. You got the crispy outside, the gooey center, the icing on the top. And try it. You won't be disappointed.